Hello, this is Kelly, and let's start. The standard I'm unpacking is part of the Connecticut State Frameworks for a Grade 7 Social Studies class. GEO 6 to 7.9 analyze the way in which culture and environmental characteristics vary among various regions of the world. The big idea here are centered around the trade and culture and how they both played a role in influencing Western Europe. I choose this focus because I'm really interested in how the world is connected and feel that it is extraordinarily relevant to today's students. The entire concept of East and West came from the conception of the Silk Road and its effect. Here are the skills that will develop in meeting the standard. Read maps. Students will read and interpret maps showing the distribution of trade and the spread of idea and culture. Categorize information. Students will analyze text and other sources and be able to group information based on characteristics. Interpret historical documents and primary resources. Students will look at primary documents and be able to use them to make historical inferences. Compare and contrast ideas. Students will compare and contrast how ideas are interpreted differently in various regions of the world. Summarize main idea. Students will restate the main idea of corresponding article in their own word. A simulation activity of the Silk Road. Seriously? 3 minutes? A simulation activity of the Silk Road. The purpose of this activity would be shown how good idea and culture traveled between the East and the West. This would be an in-person activity that would involve group of 3 to 4. Students will be able to act out the history they are learning about and then have a reflection activity that would show how close to actual historical event it was. Each group will be assigned a different country and will be given a framework. And an end-of-unit project will be used to monitor process toward mastery. The project would have many steps and checkpoints at which the teacher can check for understanding. Various activities and daily assessment will build toward the final assessment for the unit. Text, like from UCELA, can help students with various literacy skills by having adjustable lexicons without talking away from the content. So this is my video, and thank you for listening.